Hello, welcome back, welcome to my channel. My name is Tori, and today I have an update for the Alice in WonderPAN Project Pan. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab that was created by Alyshia. As always, the creator and collaborators will be listed in the description box down below. This started April 5th, 2022, and will end March 5th, 2022, and will end March 4th, 2023. For this update, I only have one thing rolling out, but it's great. You'll love it. So, the item that's rolling out is for the prompt, every adventure requires a first step. So it's a product outside your comfort zone. So from the Trixie Mattel Back to the Fuchsia palette, the shade Hologram. My goal was to use it 5 times, but because I focused in that one spot and used it a lot on my whole lid, I ended up hitting pan. I finished the 5 uses on April 24th. It took 2 more uses to hit goal. So not only was this my first time using this highlighter in this palette and really having fun with it as a highlighter and an eyeshadow, I also hit pan. 2 for 1 deal. Gotta love it. Now I just gotta use the blushes. Very exciting. But that will be rolling out for this update. Now, there's 2 other items that definitely are close. So I could have waited like 2 more days to film this and the one would be done. But I think I'm going to keep it in so I have more time to think about what I want to pull in. So let's just talk about everything that's remaining. First up the bat for Cheshire Cat, a lip product, I have the Melt Mini Lipstick that the cap is broken in Frisky. I am wearing it today with a lip liner underneath. It sadly has only been used once since the last update. I'm trying to get a solid rotation on my lip products, but that hasn't been completely solid yet, so it's not been very fruitful. Next, this, if I waited like 2 days, it would have been rolled out, but that is okay because I'm going to enjoy the next 2 days of me using this. For the prompt Alice, a childlike product, I picked the ColourPop and Animal Crossing Flower Power blush. My goal was to use it 10 times. Since the last update, I used it 5, but from my tally marks, you can see I didn't write the 5 correctly. I used it 5 times. There's 2 more uses left to go. So definitely will be done by the next update, and I will, in the next update, roll something to pull it in. But very exciting. Next, this one also could be done by the next update if I can find it. For the prompt, the White Queen, a product that makes you feel mature, / poised, / elegant. I picked the Color Spell. This doesn't have an actual name, but it's like a cream inner corner shade, or at least that's what I use it for, and that's what I'm wearing it as today. It also has a goal of 10 uses. Since the last update, I've only used it 3, so it has 7 more uses left to go, but this definitely will be done by the next update. And then last but not least, before we talk about the item rolling in, is the White Rabbit, a product you were late buying. So I have the Ofra and Nikki Tutorials highlighter in Cloud 9. It's very messy. I am wearing it today. You can tell more on my nose that I'm wearing it compared to my cheeks. My goal with this is to use it 30 times. Since the last update, I've only used it 3, so it has 27 more uses left to go. As I'm getting too much love because I have another highlighter with a usage goal that I really want to make sure is hit by the day I have to film that. So the fun highlighters have been on a little bit of a back burner. Could that be done by the next update? Maybe, but honestly, I'm not going to rush it because I really enjoy that highlighter, even though I don't really vibe with that brand. So I'm gonna have my sweet time using that. And also, it is a pretty blush topper, so I could use it every day, but I'm not going to make myself. So the item I'm pulling in is actually going to be a gimme product, but it's gonna look terrifying. So the prompt is Army of Cards, a product that never lets you down. I picked Sugar Pills Trinket. I wore this for my, not this specific one, but this shade for like my senior prom, my senior graduation. When I graduate in 2 weeks, I will probably wear this again. maybe this one or maybe a newer one. But the issue is this one not only is drying out soon, but it's also very empty. So this is a gimme product because of how much I like wearing these. Could it be done by the next update? Definitely. So we'll see. But yeah, it's really starting to dry out and the brush is starting to get a little funky dunky. So I was like, you know what? Instead of just panning it on my own, why not throw it into a project? So it's getting thrown into here. So while only one thing is rolling in, we definitely are going to have at least 2 rollouts next month, if not 3. So very exciting. But yeah, don't forget to check out everyone else doing this project pan. As always, everything is in the description box down below. And I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Peace out, Girl Scout.